So the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. For us tech reviewers and consumers, it's one of the best, if not the best, phones of 2018, mainly due to its amazing cameras. It's got that triple camera setup at the back, with the main, the wide, and the telephoto. Also because of its great design, I mean, just look at this phone, it's beautiful.
And it also performs really well due to its Kirin 980 chipset, and it's great for productivity because of its 4200 milliamp hour battery, which could last you a day or maybe even more.
Even more. But even more so than that, one thing that's not discussed enough, in my opinion, about this phone is its durability. I mean, yeah,
it's covered in glass.
It's made of all glass, which makes it more fragile, but it's a very tough phone. It's got that IP68 water resistance, which we're going to test today. But, you know, durability, it's not one of those things we discuss a lot on this channel. You know, we don't do any stress tests, any drop tests, any durability tests, any teardowns. We're not jerry-rig everything. You know, I wish we were, but, you know, we're not. So, when Huawei challenged us, you know, to take this phone to its absolute extreme limits, our minds just went wild.
Yeah, we were thinking things like freeze it overnight, submerge it in soda for an hour.
Let's do it. I mean,
why not?
Are we the type of people to back away from a challenge?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I don't think so. When you say IP68 resistance, what comes into your mind first?
I mean, if not dust, it's gotta be water, right? Because when people buy their phones, they don't exactly think about, you know, the dust resistance. They think about if it's splash proof, how deep you can immerse it into water, and how long you can immerse it into. So these two tests we've designed here really test that water resistance aspect of the IP68. So with the freezer test, we're going to put one of these Mate 20 Pros in the freezer overnight. Now, obviously, freezing your phone is a bad idea, right? But why exactly? Because if you take a look at your phone, right here, inside the phone, in between all the electronics, there are little cavities. And water could enter in the form of vapor through one of the Type-C ports or maybe a headphone jack. Water could enter, condense inside those cavities, freeze, and then eventually crack. So your phone's a goner by then.
Now for the second test, we are gonna submerge another Mate 20 Pro into soda for an hour. And well, soda is already bad enough for your body. Imagine putting your phone in it for an hour. It's got sugar that could crystallize, it's got salt that could cause corrosion, and it's also very acidic. Now, putting your phone or submerging your phone into water is already bad enough. Think about putting it or submerging it into soda. That's just crazy.
Okay, so shall we?
Let's do it.
As always, safety first. We have the glasses, we have the phone, we have the first Mate 20 Pro. It's 9:39 p.m. on the night of December 17, Monday. It's almost Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys. So I'm going to take this Mate 20 Pro. Here's our nice freezer. We're going to put this phone just right here on top of the ice and leave it there. For how long? I don't know. Overnight. There we go. Bam. 9:39 p.m. 12/17/2018. We're gonna leave it there for, I don't know,
until lunchtime.
12 hours?
Are we kidding?
Yeah, lunchtime. Alright, let's get out of here.
Bye.
So, right now, it's 1:54 p.m. on December 18. It's been about, I don't know, 16 plus hours already. The Mate 20 Pro has been sitting here overnight. So it's time for the moment of truth. What's our golden rule around here?
Safety first.
Safety first. Yeah. Real glasses off, safety glasses on, and of course, industrial grade gloves. Okay? Ready?
That's true.
As you can see over there.
It's frozen.
It's frozen, solid. See that crystallization on the screen?
It looks like my window during winter. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Alright. Yeah.
And
See?
Kim, will you do the honors and see if it still works? And it still...
And as we expected...
It still works.
Well, we have gloves, so...
Okay, so as we actually expected, it still works. Freezer for overnight, that's nothing for a phone like the Mate 20 Pro with IP68 resistance. Now it's time
for the second challenge. Now, originally we just planned on submerging the Mate 20 Pro in soda for an hour. But here in YugaTech, we take things to the next level. So what we're gonna do is submerge it. We're still gonna submerge it in soda.
We're still gonna submerge it in soda.
But
not just for an hour.
Not just for an hour, but we're gonna put it in the freezer again with soda this time.
Alright, so
let's make
see
things
here,
work.
we have this wonderful Mate 20 Pro in the emerald green color. This is my favorite one. Yeah, so as you can see, it's still working. We're gonna put it
here
in our container.
And then we're gonna pour soda.
So yeah, we have to cover it up real good.
See, it's fully submerged. It's still on.
It's still on.
Okay, so we're gonna cover it.
And in the freezer
in the freezer it goes. No, because it's getting fluffy. Alright! It's there.
Okay, so Mate 20 Pro in the soda, in the container, in the freezer, shut. I'm gonna come back when it's frozen and see.
What time is it?
It survived. Let's just say it's 2 p.m. December 18. Let's come back at around, I don't know, 4, 5.
5.
We'll see you then. Alright, so it's been 2 hours. It's now 4 p.m. It's been 2 hours since our second Mate 20 Pro has been submerged in soda and put in the freezer. It's frozen, rock solid. This is the moment of truth. Let's check it out. So there it is in the same spot we put it.
Not frozen. I don't know what it is.
I mean, look at that. Okay, now
let's take it out.
Let's investigate.
Yeah.
Ooh. Is that a bubble? Tongs on. Kim? Don't break the phone.
Well, it's glass, so don't break that easy.
Right.
Keep that. You're nasty. You're nasty.
Alright.
Alright.
Now.
Should we wipe it first?
No, let's just see if it turned. If it.
Ooh! Let's try this one. Yes.
And it's still
working.
alive.
Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Alright. Let's take a selfie.
The camera.
Camera works fine.
Camera, move back. The camera, it's kind of foggy. I'm not sure if that's the screen or the camera.
That's the camera.
And
Right now.
it's so foggy.
Because it came from a cold temperature.
Okay, so
It works.
right now I don't know what else to say. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro, it's a very tough phone. That IP68 rating is legit. It can survive freezing, it can survive submersion for 2 hours. While frozen, it survives the tongs. I don't know what else to say. Huawei gave us a challenge, we did it, and their product, it did the work.
Has proven that
It's proven itself.
legit.
It's not only good for photography and productivity, it's also a very durable phone. So yeah, I think that concludes this video.
So what do you guys think? Are you gonna get a Mate 20 Pro after watching this?
Let us know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button.
Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.
I don't know, maybe we'll do some more in the future if you guys want. Also, be sure to hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest uploads. And of course, visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews.
This has been Kim.
And Joey.
And
we'll see you in the next time.
Video.
Stay curious, stay scientific. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.